beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're seeing my face for the very first time, you are welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get rid of age. Like, it's an anti-aging mask that will help you to look younger and your skin is going to get glowing. Okay, now one of the causes of early wrinkles is stress, dehydration, like not taking much water, and tiredness, and also excessive exposure to sun, and also using some chemical cream. Now, since you've actually known some of these causes, now you would have to try and avoid it, and use this mask that I'm going to be showing you, and gradually you are going to be on your way of looking really young and plump. So let's dive into the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, thumbs up. And now, rice contains a few sun protecting agents like ferulic acids, which convert it into a good natural sunscreen. Now, rice is an anti-inflammatory agent. Rice powder also softens sunburns and prevents the skin from suntan. It helps to whiten up the skin because it contains a whitening property that helps to brighten up the skin and remove dead skin cells. And it also works in reverting and removing wrinkles and as well as fine lines. And then we're going to be needing potato. Potato contains vitamin B, vitamin C, and all numerous vitamins that helps to protect the skin against sunshine. It helps to lighten up the skin. Potato reduces dark spots, blemishes, and acne scars. It also works in getting rid of dull skin. It tightens up the skin because of the starchy content, and it also helps to renew an aging skin. We're also going to be needing yogurt. Now, yogurt is a great moisturizing skin agent. If your skin needs a boost of moisture, guys, you have to consider using yogurt. Yogurt helps in reducing wrinkles and fine lines. It fights acne, fades blemishes, and pigmentation. It reduces dark circles, treats the skin infections, and it also helps to sort the sunburn. The lactic acid in milk helps to reduce pigmentation. It helps to heal dry skin. It also helps to hydrate the skin, heal acne, and relieve sunburns. Now, milk helps to remove fine lines, pigments, and age-related problems. Combining it with other natural great remedy would work so well in removing all of your skin blemishes. Alright guys, so I have here boiled rice, and you have to boil your rice for it to be very soft. So we're going to blend the rice. So I'm going to be scooping in some amount of boiled rice. So you have to boil the rice for it to be pretty soft. Now, to blend the rice, you would have to put in a little bit of water, okay, to enable the blender blend it. And then we would have to blend. Alright guys, so for the potato, you would have to also boil it, and boil it to be very soft, just like this. Now you would have to blend this whole potato. So you're going to put in a little bit of water also to enable the blending. Alright guys, so here is the blended rice, and now would have to be scooping in about 2 tablespoons of that. And here's the blended potato. Would have to be scooping in about 1 tablespoon of that. And also yogurt. 1 tablespoon would go a long way. then the liquid milk, 2 tablespoons will be better. So now we would have to mix it all up. And this mixer makes life easy. Alright, so it's well mixed and it's ready. Alright guys, so here is my anti-aging remedy. It smells really good. Okay, so what you're gonna do is to pack all of this onto your skin. And I'm actually gonna be using a brush. I love to use this fluffy brush so it can just go all over my skin. Okay, so now before you apply this, you can as well just dab your face with water. Okay, so now you would have to be applying this generously onto your face. Okay guys, so the ideal thing for you to do whenever you want to apply an aging remedy like this, you would have to refrigerate it. Okay, and this smells so good. This is ideal for your under eye, so even if it touches your under eye, it's still okay because it's actually very soft and really tender, so it's not going to irritate your under eye at all. Okay, so you can also apply this onto your neck and onto your whole body. Okay guys, so now the thing is that you have to use this consistently for like 1 month. Okay, because it is natural, there is no chemical in it. The lactic acid in the yogurt and that of the milk is going to help you to remove all of the fine lines. As if you have fine lines around your mouth area or your chin area, it's going to help you so much. All right, so you can only store this for 3 to 4 days in a refrigerator. Now, if you have constant light, it can stay in your refrigerator for like 1 week. But whenever you want to apply it, you really need to stir it all over again, and then you apply it. And trust me, guys, these things are actually natural. You might be like, oh, it doesn't work. Why not give it a try and let me see how it's going to help your skin glow? Because it has been helping me. So when you want to wash it, you would have to wash it off with a cool water. Now the reason why you have to use a cool water is so that, you know, your skin is just going to stay fresh, stay refreshed, and you have to use a toilet soap. I have here some toilet soap inside of this bowl. Okay, so you have to use a toilet soap to wash off this remedy, but before that you would have to wait for like 20 minutes or 10 minutes, okay, for the treatment to get into your skin and dry off just a little bit, and then you can, you know, it feels really good on my skin, and that is what has been helping me so much to achieve a beautiful skin. Like, trust me guys, this actually helps. It is natural with no chemical, and you are going to give it a little time and you would be loving the result, guys. Like, it is so amazing. So go try it out and let me know how it is. All right, if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye guys, and stay flawless.